Hello everyone. So welcome to this video. And in this video we'll dive into a piece of tech history that some of us might still find it lying around our campus. And the thing was VGA, or we can just call it video graphics array. But before we talk about this topic, let me introduce myself. My name is Satya di Putranto. You guys can call me Dio. And my student numbers is 123, 240, and 121. So you have probably seen projectors, adaptive classroom PCs, or maybe even at the back of your lab computers. So without any further ado, let's get into this topic. So VGA, short for Video Graphics Array, was launched by IBM back in 1987. For a long time, it was the go-to way to connect your computers to monitors. Its job is simple. Send video signal from your PC so you can see stuff like YouTube videos, PowerPoint slides, or even your thesis presentation. It's an analog signal, which means it doesn't transmit in the super clear digital quality we're used to today, but in its time, VGA could handle up until 480 resolution, and later versions got even better, while HDMI and DisplayPort have taken over for now. VGA is still hanging on, especially in some of our campus or in our campus projectors or computer labs, PCs. For the main users, majorly they are students, schools, and any place that still not upgrade to full digital system yet. The SWOT analysis for VGA. Let's break down VGA with a good old SWOT analysis, a tool we also use in campus assignments, right? So for the strength, first, VGA is super compatible and work with almost any monitors for decades at least. Secondly, it's cheap and easy to find. Thirdly, you don't need to use a special drivers or software. But behind all of that, it has a weakness too. First, it got a low resolution compared to these modern standards now. Second, the analog signal can get blurry, especially with the long cables. Thirdly, VGA is not supports audio, so you will need a separate cable for sound, or you just can use a sound card for now. Then for the opportunities from VGA, first, it can be useful in a lab with older equipment. And VGA can be used in the DIY project or just a retro setup gaming. And then for the threads itself for VGA, first, most new laptops don't have any VGA ports anymore. And secondly, the tech world is now quickly, fully going digital. But even so, VGA's simplicity and accessibility made it a classic, and it's still leading us valuable lessons about compatibility and design. And for students like us, VGA has been part of our academic life, whether we realize it or not. Think about it, how many times have we walked into a lecture hall and the projector only has a VGA input? And there's no HDMI at all. That's because schools and universities often stick with equipment that still works, they don't upgrade it too much. Economically, VGA helped a lot of institutions save money. Instead of buying new HDMI projectors, many just use converters or keep their VGA compatible system running. But there's a downside Sometimes the quality isn't great, and it can limit what we can show, especially when we are presenting something with high resolution graphics or video. Socially, VGA's legacy also made tech more accessible. It helped bridge the digital divide in education by keeping hardware affordable. Even in 2025, VGA has not disappeared completely. We now use adapters to connect our modern laptops with older projectors. You know, that VGA to HDMI dongle everyone forgets to bring to a group presentation? Industries like manufacturing or even the military still trust VGA-based systems because they are reliable and it's easy to maintain. In the student community, some of us still use old monitors with Raspberry Pi projectors or retro games, and VGA is still perfect for that. So, even though it's not longer cutting edge, VGA still finds its way into our lives very clever. So, what we can take from all of this? Even though VGA still feels so ancient for now, its long-lasting presence shows how solid tech design can make a big impact, especially in education environment like ours. I guess that's all that I can say for this video. Thanks for watching and good luck with your guys' tech projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video and my channel. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you and goodbye.